Olá! Welcome to the Portuguese Lab podcast. Today we're looking at the difference between algum and qualquer. I'll explain the difference with a few examples, and after that you'll listen to a dialogue where you can see both words in action. The translation of the examples is available on the video. If you're a member of the Portuguese Lab Academy, be sure to practice with the available exercises in this lesson. So let's get started. Algum and qualquer are indefinites. They refer to an unspecified quantity of something, but there is a difference between them. Algum can mean any or something. It can refer to a small amount, and it can focus on something as opposed to nothing. Algum is variable, and it changes according to the gender and number of the noun it refers to. So you can have algum, alguma, alguns, algumas. Now let's look at qualquer. Qualquer means any or anything. It refers to one among many. It doesn't matter what the thing is. Let's look at some examples. Preciso de alguma coisa para beber. I need something to drink. And this means I need something as opposed to nothing. I am thirsty, so I want something to drink. Now compare it with preciso de beber qualquer coisa. I need something to drink. But anything will do. I don't care what it is. It can be water, juice, wine, etc. A few more examples. Tenho algumas moedas na carteira. I have a few coins in my wallet. Here, you are focusing on the fact that you have coins as opposed to no coins, but you only have a few coins. Another example. Posso ver qualquer filme. I can watch any movie. Imagine someone asks me if I want to watch a movie, and I say I can watch any movie. I don't care which. I am focusing on the fact that any of the options available are possible. In some circumstances, algum and qualquer can mean almost the same thing. For example, queres fazer alguma coisa no fim de semana? Do you want to do something on the weekend? This means I want to do something. I don't want to stay home. Compare with queres fazer qualquer coisa no fim de semana? Do you want to do something on the weekend? It doesn't matter what it is. We can go to the theater, to the beach, etc. Okay, now let's see algum and qualquer in action in a short dialogue.
Tens algum livro para eu ler nas férias?
Tenho vários. Tens preferência?
Não. Pode ser qualquer um. Eu não sou esquisito.
Ok, tenho aqui um da Agatha Christie.
Não, por favor. Tudo menos isso. Tens algum livro de Camões?
Queres ler um livro de Camões nas férias? É suposto descansares. E não tenho. Queres um livro de Tolkien? Eu acho que tu gostas de fantasia.
Sim, é verdade. Tens alguma obra da Guerra dos Tronos?
Não, por acaso não. Mas tenho alguns contos de terror de Lovecraft. Mas não sei se gostas.
Pode ser qualquer coisa. Eu não sou esquisito. Mas terror não é muito a minha coisa.
Bom, também tenho algumas revistas com jogos. Se calhar preferes alguma coisa que exija mais atividade mental?
Qualquer pessoa pode fazer isso. Na verdade, queria qualquer coisa mais divertida. Tens algum livro de Agatha Christie?
Do you need some structure and guidance in your learning process? Head on over to the Portuguese Lab Academy and learn with the step-by-step online courses, from grammar to vocabulary, verb conjugations, pronunciation, and dialogues. The Academy offers you the flexibility and support you need to learn European Portuguese. Become a member at PortugueseLabAcademy.com.